Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and confirming the light is off. This prevents shocks. Once done, wait 10-15 minutes so the bulb cools. Hot glass breaks more easily. Put on gloves or wrap a cloth to improve grip and protect your skin. Position a stable ladder directly beneath the fixture for safe reach and make sure your feet are solid and centered. Now you're ready to take the first physical step. Steady your hand and approach the bulb carefully. You want to grip the bulb at its base where the metal meets glass. This reduces the chance of breakage. Once you have a firm hold, rotate the bulb counterclockwise with a steady, moderate force. Quick jerks can snap the glass. If it feels stuck, apply gentle alternating pressure, quarter turns and small pulls while keeping tension. Make sure to support the fixture with your other hand if it wiggles, because a loose fixture can shift and shear the bulb instead of letting it unscrew. After the bulb has unscrewed, lift it straight down and set it in a padded container to avoid rolling and breaking. If the glass shatters, immediately shut power off at the breaker, then remove large shards with gloves. Use needle nose pliers to back out the metal base by turning counterclockwise. Make sure to vacuum small fragments. Once cleared, restore power briefly to test the socket with a known good bulb. If it still fails, check the fixture wiring or replace the socket.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.